It is only up to them, that they cannot be looking out to the international community, and they have to stop victimizing themselves or feeling that that they're the only country in the world that has been a victim of the international community. We in the Dominican Republic, as I said, first of all, we were occupied by Haiti. We then were occupied by the United States twice in the 20th century. In 1916, we were occupied by the United States for 8 years, just like Haiti. We were occupied by the United States in 1965. Yet, our elites have stuck together throughout it, and we have come out of this situation, and we don't feel victims of anyone. We believe very much, and we're very proud of our history. In spite of all of those terrible, we would be far more advanced in our development were it not for all of those happenings.